Anker 20W USB-C power strip.
The Anker 20W USB-C power strip features 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port, providing an efficient charging solution for multiple devices. Its compact design and 5-foot extension cord make it ideal for travel and home use, ensuring convenience and safety. Compact and portable design. The small size of the Anker power strip makes it easy to carry in luggage, perfect for travelers or those with limited desk space. Fast charging capability. With a 20-watt USB-C port, it charges devices faster than standard chargers, making it ideal for quick power-ups on the go. Multiple charging options. Equipped with 3 AC outlets and multiple USB ports, it allows users to charge several devices simultaneously without needing extra adapters. Strong safety features. The power strip includes a 7-point safety system, including fire resistance and circuit overload protection, ensuring user safety during operation. Inconsistent USB charging. Some users report that USB ports may malfunction or require resetting, leading to frustration during charging. Not suitable for high-power appliances. This power strip is not designed for high-wattage devices like coffee makers, limiting its use in some situations. Bulky with multiple devices. While portable, the size can become bulky when multiple devices are plugged in, making it less convenient to transport. Limited warranty coverage. The warranty period is not as extensive as some competitors, which may raise concerns for long-term reliability. The Anker 20-watt USB-C power strip is a great choice for those needing a reliable and compact charging solution for multiple devices. Its fast charging capabilities and safety features make it appealing for everyday use. However, potential buyers should consider issues with USB port functionality and its limitations with high-power devices before purchasing. Overall, it's an excellent addition for travelers and home offices alike.
Are you excited to make a purchase, or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!